wall surfaces properly is an important step to ensure trouble-free, weather-tight exterior envelope. The aluminum flashing should extend 4 inches beyond the corner trim prior to the installation of an outside corner. An inside corner should be prepared with flashing in preparation for an inside corner detail. J-channels can be used for wall terminations, around windows, doors, and roof lines. Fasteners can be aluminum, galvanized, or steel, or other corrosion-resistant nails with a minimum of 5/16 inch diameter head and a 1/8 inch diameter shank. All nails should penetrate the wall by 3/4 of an inch. For this installation, a level reference line from a laser is transferred to the width of resistive barrier. This line allows the installers to start the siding on any wall and ensures proper course alignment. The window trim was fabricated using clear concealed PVC trim that has a 3/4 inch pocket for the siding. The fasteners are Cortex screws that are supplied with a PVC plug to fill the hole that is made by the screw.